How to fix PlayStation cannot verify email. To fix a PlayStation email verification issue, first of all, go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice. Once you open it, you simply have to head to the account management. Simply tap on that search bar, then head to the account and security option. Once you're here, sign in and trigger the email to resend. Then search your inbox for PlayStation or check the spam, junk, or promotion folder from your Gmail application. Once you find the email itself, you simply have to open it and tap that exact link. And if the link does not open, you simply have to long press on it and copy that exact link, and once again open any web browser of your choice, tap on that search bar and paste that link and enter the website. And this should resolve your issue. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.